Floorplan-to-Render. This feature transforms your 2D floor plans into refined, realistic dollhouse view render in just a few simple steps. Begin by adding an input image. Upload it directly from your device or drag and drop it into the viewport. The prompt section is optional, so we'll keep it empty for now. Next, move to the image and lighting style settings and define the surrounding environment. Choose your preferred aspect ratio and click Generate. Within a few seconds, your 2D floor plan transformed into beautiful dollhouse render. Let's say you want to change or remove some elements. It's just as easy. Go to the prompt section and describe your update. Floor wooden plank plus bedroom, remove beds. Click Generate again, and the render updates instantly with your changes applied. That's it. From a simple 2D floor plan to a polished, realistic render ready in just a few clicks.